In this video, I want to talk about how you can redeem code on Temu. So there are a few different codes. There are some coupon codes and there's also referral codes. So let me just quickly go through them. So if it's a referral code, it will just be a link. So the link is gonna look like this. And this is a referral link that people can sign up for and send this link to you. And then if you use the link, they're gonna get a referral. So it will just be a link, and when you press on it, it's automatically gonna use the code. Now keep in mind, usually there are some things you need to do. So for this, it's only for new app users. So if you sign up and you are not a new user, you will not use the code. But like I said, you just have to use the link that someone sends you and you will have used the referral code. Now if you want to use a normal code, there are two ways to do this. You can come up here and go to coupon codes and type it in here. Now, if it's a code that you can only use on when you're buying items, you just have to go to your cart, press checkout, and there will be a code up here that you can put in. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.